So right here we're mounting a closet, gonna be a shelf and a pole. On the other side of this there's a pocket door and there's no studs for me to screw this piece into. So what I did, these are these flip toggle anchors. Drilled a 1/2 inch hole here and then they come with the bolt too. What you do is you slide it in this hole. That's it. Now you have something to anchor to. So now I'll get my piece and that's what's gonna anchor this. I'm gonna cut this shorter so that it's not gonna hit the pocket door, obviously. Don't really wanna do any damage to that. So that's what happens when you don't have a stud on the other side of the wall. These are really good anchors. Called flip toggles.